In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create unlimited Telegram account. Before we start, here is the key principle. Every Telegram account must have its own unique active phone number. That can be a physical SIM, an eSIM, or a virtual or VoIP number. Here is no way to create unlimited accounts from a single source, and Telegram actively blocks many free number providers. Keep things compliant with Telegram's terms and your local laws, and use additional numbers responsibly. Let's begin inside the Telegram app. Open Telegram and tap the three-line menu in the top left. Tap your profile or the small arrow near your name. Choose Add Account or Add Another Account. Enter a unique phone number that isn't already linked to a Telegram account. Then tap Next. Telegram will send a one-time password by SMS or offer a verification call. Enter that code to confirm. Once the new account is added, you can switch between accounts from your profile or settings without logging out. Repeat these same steps each time you have a new number available. On desktop, Telegram Desktop lets you run up to 3 accounts within the app. If you need more beyond that, use Web Telegram in separate browser profiles. For example, create distinct profiles in Chrome or Firefox and open Web Telegram in each one. Each profile keeps sessions isolated, so accounts don't overlap. This setup makes it easy to manage several accounts side by side, while keeping them clearly separated. Now, where do you get numbers at scale? For long-term reliability, physical SIMs or eSIMs are excellent, especially if you need stable, trusted accounts. For faster scaling, consider virtual numbers and VoIP services. Options like well-known voice or burner apps, along with specialized SMS verification platforms, can receive the Telegram code for you. In general, paid services are more consistent, while many free numbers are recycled, slow, or blocked by Telegram. Whichever route you choose, keep each number active so you can receive future login codes. A few practical tips to stay organized and reduce friction. Label accounts clearly and keep notes on which number belongs to which purpose. When requesting the OTP, wait a moment for SMS before trying the call option. And make sure your device or service can actually receive texts or calls from Telegram. If a number fails, don't keep retrying repeatedly. Switch to a different, clean number to avoid temporary blocks. That's the full process. Thanks for watching.